Hi everyone, my name's Jenny Culbertson. I'm art consultant for visual art and drama for Edmonton Catholic Schools, and welcome to this little video on vocabulary. So looking at these 10 vocabulary words, and such as you may use them for a couple weeks or a week, and then following more, using them in your classroom, what you could do is a lot of course, visual art is visuals. So like you could create visuals with your students. You can look at, when I was looking through these ones like area, complex, core, dominant, function, layer, measure, positive, resources, and source, really what stood out to me is the elements and principles of art. You can use these words and really translate them into your elements of art, such as space, area. Space in a work refers to a feeling of depth or three-dimension. It can also refer to an artist's use of the area with the picture plane. Another one that we looked at closely within our collective group for consultants was the word measure. So looking at measure in art can mean so many things. And when I've taught art before, we look at measure as a unit, used to compare and record the size of an object. What is measure drawing? An architectural scale of drawing or an existing structure. But then we look at the evaluation piece of art. How do we measure and evaluate art? That's a whole different use of the word. So I like to really look at those words and unpack them with my students and have those meaningful discussions about these types of vocabulary words. Another one would be positive. Positive is a great word to use too. Positive and negative space in our elements of art, but we can also talk about using positive in a different light in the art room as well. What is layer in art? We can talk about layers of art, but a layer can consistently merely one of the small dabs of paint. Could we layer overlays? Can we cover the whole surface with a layer? So it could be a layer of a technique. So those are just some examples for you today of these words, these vocabulary development in our subject area. I think visual arts is a wonderful way to use vocabulary and be able to express. The students are able to express with their vocabulary development into the visual concepts in the art room. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out and I can help you in your art rooms as well with any types of vocabulary and unpacking those words with you. Thank you.